This is another type of problem that could be taken several different ways by the testers. In this case, what we're going to look at is as far as excavation goes, but maybe you're looking for depth, maybe you're looking for a number of different things. And it's also a method that can be done more than one way. So the way that I'm going to show you right now is not necessarily the only way to solve this, but it is the way that makes the most sense to me. So I'll show you how to do it, and if you find something better, by all means do it. In this case, we're given a small plot of land we're going to have to excavate, and what you see here are depths that you're going to have to take it down by. So maybe you have a topographical type map and you've done some surveying. You know you're going to have to take off 4 feet here, 5 here, 6 here ish, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's higher in this corner, and you can kind of imagine maybe a sloping site down from this bottom corner to here. We know that the blocks are measured in 100-foot by 100-foot increments, so each of these blocks is in square area, 10,000 square feet. So how much material has to be excavated from the site based on this? So not a very difficult calculation to make. It could be more, could take a lot longer if you had more blocks that you were dealing with. In this case, we just have the 3, so it's fairly straightforward. You're going to want to take the average of the depths of excavation for each block individually, and this is where you could get tripped up if you're trying to do it all at the same time, which is why I like to do it this way. So you would simply just add up 4, 5, 4, and 5 here for block number 1 that I'm pointing at, and you want to take the average of that, and so that's 18 divided by 4, or 4.5 feet, and you do the same thing for the other 2 blocks, and you'd find the average heights again of the material that's going to need to be moved. From there, it's extremely straightforward. We're just going to take each of those and multiply them by the amount of material we already know that we have in each of those 3 squares, which are all equal sizes. So it's simply a matter of taking the depth of each and multiplying it by the area of each, and then of course critically we want to keep in mind we want to get it into that cubic yard, so we're going to divide it by 27 cubic feet per cubic yard. From there it's very straightforward. 6,111 cubic yards, and that's going to be your answer in this case.